guys, Mr. MegaManFan with something different today. I've got two miniature figures I'm going to open up. As you can see, item 55010, one is Proto Man and the other is Base, although I believe this is considered to be the Remote Mine Base. They're both numbered 55010 for some reason. No distinguishing numeration on these individual figures. Back of these packages is really faded and hard to read. I've tried numerous times to get it under regular light, and it's only under the bright light of this camera that you can make these out. Like I say, there's Base there, but you can just barely tell that. These others, not much more help. I love this little descriptor here. Product outlook and colors may vary from shown above. Shown what? Can't make out anything. It's a little better on this one. You can see there are two different versions of Base. That's why I say I believe this is the Remote Mine Base based on the appearance. Base based on the appearance. Hey, didn't even realize that was going to sound funny until I said it. But let's see if I can get these open. Here we go. I'm going to try to cut under the bubble and not cut into the figure itself. A tricky proposition on something that is this small. Successful package openings I've ever done. Get a good look at it on the camera. Zoom in. Focus. Pick it up. We have a little miniature fort. Well, that's what he was called in Japan. Rockman and Fort became Mega Man and Base for the American audience. Not a whole lot of articulation here. It appears to just be one solid piece of plastic. But I'm not looking to put a million different poses on him. I'm just going to set him on my display shelf and look at him. So